Sunrises. Sunrises over all the birdies. Yes. Doesn't get any prettier than this. That's AJ checking out the pole on his birthday eve.